Okay, so my dear friends, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a professional financial advisor before investing your money. Thank you. If you are trading in stock market, you need to pay close attention to the upcoming days. 5 massive companies are about to release their latest financial reports. These earnings results could trigger major price movements across the tech and retail sectors. First up is Oracle Corporation, reporting its fiscal Q4 results. Investors are highly focused on this because the stock has surged over 40% in recent months. Wall Street want to see if massive enterprise AI demand and their core cloud infrastructure revenue can justify this rapid rally. Right after that, Adobe will release its fiscal Q2 results. Analysts are expecting an EPS of around $5.83 on $6.46 billion in revenue. Keep a close eye on their generative AI subscriptions as well as how their massive $25 billion stock buyback program impact investor sentiment. Moving into the following week, Jabil announces its fiscal Q3 financial results, currently trading at $353 per share. Analysts are looking for an EPS jump to around $2.92. This growth is highly driven by a boom in AI data center hardware, and investors will look to see if it justifies the stock's massive long-term gains. On Thursday morning, tech consulting giant Accenture dropped its fiscal Q3 report. The stock has faced tough year, falling over 30% year to date. Traders are looking to see if new strategic AI partnership will finally signal an enterprise IT spending recovery. Finally, retail giant Kroger report its fiscal Q1 earnings on June 18th as one of the America's largest grocery chains. Their internal consumer numbers will show us exactly how inflation and recent price cuts are impacting everyday retail spending habits. Which of these stocks are you trading or holding? Let me know in the comments below.